Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 fell slightly after the open to 10,716.99. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 slipped slightly, down 0.02%, while Germany's DAX declined more sharply by 0.82%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,690.9, and the S&P 500 also fell to 7,498.96, as investors remain cautious ahead of the European Central Bank meeting and ongoing geopolitical tensions. In company news, BT Group maintained its full-year guidance as continued fibre broadband and 5G expansion supported early-year trading. Meanwhile, airline easyJet reported a weaker third quarter after higher fuel costs and disruption linked to the Middle East weighed on profits, although demand for holidays remained resilient. Against sterling, the US dollar edged higher, the Swiss franc strengthened slightly, the euro and the Australian dollar were little changed, the yen fell slightly, and Bitcoin was down. In commodities, copper edged higher, gold eased, Brent crude continued to climb on supply concerns, while natural gas slipped slightly. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.